I'm Gaddafi from Mewah Brandfield. So today's session, I had a very wonderful experience. It was insightful, engaging. For me, it's exceed my expectation. So I think it was very meaningful to me. This session, I think everyone should be joined also. Then thank you because inviting me to this workshop.
I think that the experience today is really amazing because I get to know more about the equipment, Reactivo, and I get to see how reliable the data is compared to the equipments that we are using in our labs currently, and we are looking forward to actually using in our labs.
The event organized by PLT Scientific with Reactivo, it was definitely very useful and interactive session. We definitely gain a lot of knowledge and understand the features of Reactivo, the analyzer.
Yes, absolutely. It's not only met my expectation, it's already exceed my expectation. So I think this session very good. I'm very happy and very satisfied with the sharing, especially shared by Mr. Wilson and also Mr. Abdullah.
Yes, it exceeds expectations. As I mentioned just now, we get to see the data and how quick we receive the data. So yes.
Yes, it definitely met our expectation because we able to have an hands-on experience. It shows features of the equipment was easy to handle and it's compatible.
Based on this sharing in this workshop by Mr. William and hands-on sharing by Mr. Abdullah, I think this product will improve a lot my operation, improve my efficiency, streamline the process, and also will give insight so that we can make a better decision for our operation.
In my lab currently, we are dealing with a lot of students, be it postgraduate and undergraduate students, who are using COD testing for our research. So the fastness of how quick we are getting the data and how reliable and how accurate it is compared to the ones that we're using currently, I think it is way more beneficial for us students, and I think we get to process more data, more samples in a shorter time compared to the ones that we're having right now. That's how I think it's applicable to us as researchers. Thank you.
The product definitely benefit our operation because it aims towards it reduces the ROI, reduce the manpower, where it moves towards sustainability goals when it focuses on the waste generation. So it definitely one of a positive features when you look at that.